We all know that top winning products videos are very popular in the e-commerce space. That's probably why you clicked this video. And one of the key flaws that I see with those videos is that unfortunately, even though some of the products may be trendy, they're just terrible products, right? So you're not going to be able to really build a business off of them because nobody actually likes those products. So I thought of an idea here because somebody in my Discord at ChemiLab posted this 42 new coolest gadgets in 2023 from AliExpress and Amazon. And it's literally a YouTube page that all they do is review these cool gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon. And that's really valuable for people that actually want to sell products from there because guess what? He actually tests them. He actually uses the product so you actually know which product is good and why it's good. So we're just going to watch this video and we're going to comment on some of these products and hopefully find some really interesting stuff. I think we will find some really interesting stuff. Let's see. Here we go.
Hey guys, once again, we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description.
Okay, let's
Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go.
Hot Deals Express. So number one, the portable wireless speaker.
Elevate your audio experience with KNZ Go Duo portable Bluetooth speakers. Perfect for any setting.
Whoa.
These speakers deliver robust
cool.
sound quality and boast an impressive 18-hour playtime. They're also water resistant, making them your go-to for beach parties or cozy indoor gatherings. The cherry on top? They magnetically attach to any metal surface, giving you the freedom to place your sound exactly where you want it.
Those look really awesome. Little cute electronic.
Meet
like a
the
timer.
Home Magician electronic digital tape measure, the ultimate
Oh,
tool
a
that
tape
brings
measure.
precision and convenience to your fingertips. With its LCD display, you can easily read measurements
What?
down to the last digit.
That's
Rechargeable
pretty
and
cool.
pocket-sized, this versatile tool is always ready for action. It's not just for flat surfaces, this digital marvel can accurately measure curved and even odd-shaped areas up to 324 feet.
That's a pretty cool, simple product. Camera Hover X1. So I think this is a drone.
Capture the extraordinary with the Hover
This is a
Air
cool
X1,
drone,
your pocket-sized aerial photographer. Start your adventure with a simple palm takeoff. Just hold it in your hand and let it soar. The drone's follow me feature.
I don't know about you, but I would buy all these products. These all look super cool.
Ensures you're always the star of your story, tailoring its flight path to your movements. Compact yet powerful, the Hover Air X1 is designed for adventurers, creatives, and anyone who wants to see the world from a new perspective.
Whoa. Dang. Power bank container.
This power bank container is your ultimate travel buddy. Designed with a sleek, compact form, it fits right into your pocket or bag.
That's
With
pretty
multiple
cool.
ports, it can charge various devices simultaneously. And yes, it even has a built-in light for those unexpected moments. Packed with a
That's so
500
unnecessary.
mAh battery, it ensures
Wow.
you're never left.
Power banks are one of those products that's just so widely used by so many people, but this one is just extra unique. That's all it is. And it also has a lot of functionalities. Like you can put so many different devices on it. That's pretty cool. Actually, I like it.
Powerless. Stay connected, stay powered, and make the most of every moment.
Ice cube mold.
Transform your drinks with our 3D Skull silicone mold. This top-notch silicone mold allows you to effortlessly create detailed, eye-catching skull-shaped ice cubes.
That's actually cool.
It's perfect for elevating the experience of enjoying whiskey, wine, and cocktails. Durable and user-friendly, this mold ensures you get the perfect ice shape every time.
This
For
would
an
be
added
cool for
twist of
Halloween.
excitement, simply color your water before freezing and enjoy vibrant colored skulls floating in your drink.
Lighter Newfield.
Ignite your style with the Zippo Newfield Smart Lighter,
What?
featuring a cutting-edge touchscreen that's not just for show. Use it to make calls, play music, and even
No
locate
way.
your lighter if it's misplaced. Its magnetic charging makes it effortlessly convenient, while
That's
the sleek black
insane.
design screams sophistication.
It's literally a Zippo lighter, but with a smartphone component to it. That's crazy.
It's the perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern tech, ideal for gifting. This is more than a lighter, it's a lifestyle. Experience the magic of waterproof matches. They're no ordinary matches, they're engineered to withstand wind and rain. Even more astonishing, if a lit match is submerged in water, it reignites once removed. Each match offers
How
up
is
to
that
15 seconds
possible?
of burn time, ensuring you're never left in the dark. With 2 waterproof strikers included, these matches are your ultimate choice, be it on a camping trip
Wow.
or a backyard barbecue.
I feel like I need to have one of these in my car at all times. Like, that just seems like such a cool product. Bone Conductor headphones. These are a classic. I've seen this product
Unleash
before.
your inner athlete with bone conduction headphones, designed to fuel your performance in any setting. These headphones are your ultimate workout partner, whether you're hitting the gym or swimming laps. Experience the freedom of a 20-meter wireless range and 7-hour battery life, ensuring you're never tied down. What sets them
That's
apart?
pretty cool.
The flexibility to switch between MP3 and Bluetooth modes, allowing you to groove your way anytime, anywhere.
What I think is interesting about this that I never thought about till just now is that since it doesn't go in your ear, it doesn't muffle what you hear, you know, in the world when you're just out doing stuff. That's one thing I don't like about headphones, is that I feel like I can't hear anything, or I can't hear as well because there's something in my ear. And obviously you want to listen to music. You don't want to just hear people talking around you, but hey, it's good to be aware of your surroundings. Denter drill bit holder. That's
Say
so
goodbye
unique.
to clutter and hello to creativity with Denter drill bit holder. Crafted from heavy-duty PETG material, this quirky yet functional holder accommodates up to 28 pieces of 1/4-inch screwdriver drill bits. Its hinged
That's
jaws
pretty
offer
cool,
easy
actually.
access, ensuring your bits stay organized and within reach. Doubling as a denture model, it's not just a tool but a conversation starter.
This would be cool for mechanics and people like that. Smart switch button pusher. I've seen this before.
SwitchBot,
This is a
the
classic.
tiny gadget with big impact. Imagine turning any button or switch into a smart device, be it your coffee maker, light switch, or even your old school TV. Meet SwitchBot, your mini robotic finger that automates
Whoa,
these
that's
everyday
really smart to
controls.
put that on a coffee machine, so then you can just click the coffee machine button from your bed as you wake up.
Compatible
Actually,
with
that's not
wide-
good. You're supposed to not have caffeine for at least an hour if you don't want to disrupt your sleep for the next day. Little health tip right there.
Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Control it via your smartphone or voice commands through Alexa and Google Home. Say goodbye to tedious tasks and hello to a smarter home.
Automatic foam soap dispenser. This was such a banger during COVID.
Revolutionize your hand washing experience with our USB charging automatic induction foam soap dispenser. No more fumbling with soap bottles. Just place your hand under the sensor for a touchless, hygienic foam delivery. Crafted from durable ABS material, this sleek dispenser elevates your daily routine with style and efficiency, making cleanliness effortless and elegant. Say goodbye to messy spills and enjoy the perfect dose of foam every time.
TikTok remote control ring. Huh.
Meet the TikTok remote scroller, your new best friend
That's
for
so
hands-free
lazy.
video enjoyment. Say goodbye to the endless screen tapping and
Okay, my camera keeps dying and it's really annoying, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Great video. I'll link it in the description. Check out all the other links in the description and see you tomorrow. Peace.